forgot that we are allowed to talk, right?
Yeah, we're talking.
Are you keeping us
Ooh.
talking?
I don't know.
Goofy.
She's cute. She's cute.
Okay, wait. Which one's mine?
I don't know.
Yeah, this depends what photo card we get.
Okay, just pick one. That one? Oh, okay. Okay, wait. Guess who you're gonna get.
Wait, I need to smell yours.
Okay.
I feel Utah.
Utah. Okay.
I can't
I
guess
already
mine.
told you what
I don't know.
Would you like to guess mine?
I don't know. No, I'm good.
Yeah, mine.
It's hollow reflective. Oh, you're getting more of the chandelier in there, but wait, how come I'm not getting chandelier? What's going on? And you see all my phone in there. It's like a booklet. And the side's reflective too.
More too.
Oh, I did. Okay, Kayla, I swear, if you show
I am not going to.
your
I swear.
photo card,
I got this.
you know how long it took me to like blur out the last one? Ooh. Does yours have more shine over there? Like, it does. I have nothing over here. Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna take it out right now.
Right now? Okay. Wait, I don't even know where it is.
Don't look, just feel.
I don't. Kayla. Oh, okay. I think I see it. Is this it?
Gee, I can't
I
look.
really hope this is it. Okay, fellas. That was.
Okay, I saw.
I saw white.
I just saw
I saw-
holographic.
I saw.
I
Ooh.
just saw
I-
holographic because of the thing.
She's cute. All the extras and photo cards are right here, I think. Yeah, on the first page.
It looks the same, so I
It's
don't
the
think
same.
so.
Yeah.
Do we have the same cup, right?
Yeah. So only one person needs to do it. I can do it. And then you just show me your part. Oh, but I don't like bending my books.
Let me make sure we have the same.
What do you mean how? Kayla, there's only one version.
Okay. Looking through.
Cute. Cute. Oh my god. Kayla, that wasn't like this jacket like $1,000 or something.
Oh, they have Highway to Heaven there. It's right here.
Oh, the lyrics in it? Oh, yeah. Cute. Oh, such a look.
This is like my Leon album. There's little lyrics inside. This should be really fast one, actually.
The group photo. Cute. I like how all their tops,
all but gone.
the tops and like the pants match.
Oh my god, does Mark mind?
What page are you on?
His eyeliner. What the heck?
Oh, cute.
Hey, y'all's eyeliner. Oh. They have full lyrics.
That reminds me of like this photo. It reminds me of a dispatch photo from the NCT Dream shoot.
Yeah. Oh my god, Mark, do you mind? He's. Oh.
Deep sigh.
Tails hair.
I kind of like it. I thought this would be like one of the what was it? EXO's Power album, Power of Music, where it was like a box when you open it, and also Empathy. But I guess it's a booklet too. That goes easier on the shelves. Wait, oh my god, wait. Is this shirt see-through?
Alright with each.
It is. Oh, I was about to say Taeyong's part of the big titty man community? Just like BM, but I was like,
I thought this was an avocado.
Where show it?
Wait. I thought this was an avocado.
That doesn't even look like
I
anything like it.
thought. That's his leg.
You mean like his kneecap or something?
No, it's just the side of his leg. The bottom of their shoes have words on it, by the way.
Oh, they do?
Yeah.
Dang. Okay, like you shop fast, you open albums fast. Like, Kayla, is there anything you do slow?
Run.
Okay. Jet lag. Oh, you finally have the lyrics for jet lag, Kayla.
Oh, don't worry, I didn't pass that one too long ago. I want paper plane. There's so many lyrics.
Oh. He's like, I'm the boss now.
I'm gonna sue you now.
It looks like he's like lecturing Johnny.
Oh my god, Tails hair, really?
Oh, I'm on the page with Mark's knee or leg. Ooh.
Oh wait.
Has Jaden had pink hair before?
Yeah.
I don't remember. Because there's so many edits on Twitter with all of their hair colors altered.
Yeah, we are. But we're not keeping it in. Not all of it. All of it. What do you mean all of it?
All of it.
What do you mean? No, not all of it.
All of it.
I don't know.
All of it. Ooh, this is a look.
Since when was that the deal? The original title to Highway to Heaven was bad.
Oh wait, what was paper planes?
Original title for Superhuman.
Tell her.
Tell
her for paper planes.
It's all good.
I know most of the title tracks are usually the
And
same.
then for Fool, it was going to be Checkin'. No G, just checking.
Like check in or like checking?
Like checking.
Like-
But without a G, so it's checkin'.
Okay.
Not chick.
Okay. Johnny is like over 6'4". You can't tell me otherwise. Like based on this photo
Jet lag was
alone.
gonna be got each other. That's understandable. They have in the lyrics.
Oh my god.
What was paper plane supposed to be? Tell her.
I just said that.
Oh, I forgot. Are we all just supposed to get their feet shot? I'm so confused. Oh my god, why are you out?
Kayla, I swear, her
No.
you can't see it, it's off screen, but like she has her extras and circle cards sticking out.
No. The circle card is just sitting here, but it's upside down. So
Kayla, you know,
So
you're
we
lucky.
good.
You're lucky this
I
time.
really am.
They're so funny.
Nice. I actually like this. It's pretty sturdy. Ooh, ASMR.
No. Oh, stop. I'm not watching your video now.
Would you like to join me on with the extra unboxing, Kayla? Are you done? Okay. You already smelled the album.
No, I smelled yours. I didn't smell mine.
Okay. Wait, I have to center these. That's all I centered.
Okay,
Yeah,
Jen,
okay.
safe.
Okay.
I'm safe.
What did you take out first?
I don't know. I took the white thing out first.
I'm scared, Marty. Oh, thank God. Okay,
I
bless.
took the white thing out first, and we're perfectly fine. I don't see that
Get the
yet.
photo card yet?
No, not yet.
There you go.
Oh, cute.
Yeah. Wait,
Photo poster.
yeah,
It's
we're
like a
the same
tiny
poster.
one. Same poster. So cute.
Jillian looks so good. Oh
I'm scared I'm
my
gonna rip this
God.
though.
It is quite
But it
thin.
fits in the album, so I don't know if they meant to do that on purpose for like when they sell it at Target and stuff. So I'm not gonna put the album. I'm gonna put it right here.
Fine. Be like that. Okay, I'm doing the circle first.
I'm squinting.
Wait,
squinting.
Gene, you
I'm
told me to
squinting.
squint.
I'm squinting. I saw stuff.
I'm doing the circle card first.
What is this? Wait, hold on.
Wait,
Oh,
Gene,
it's
don't
the.
look, don't look.
I'm not.
I'm getting underneath the bag.
Kayla,
I'm
relax.
getting underneath the bag.
I'm
I
just
didn't
taking
see
out this.
that.
It's the was it like a little. Do you? Excuse me?
No,
Hello?
no, stop.
Okay. It's the same thing. I don't know why you're making a big deal. It's a blank on the back. It's a little postcard thing. It's pretty thin too. I will put this one right here.
Okay, do you want me to go circle first?
Yes, I just can't look that way.
I
Yes.
put mine underneath the bag.
Okay,
like a smart
circle. I don't know. Wait, which way is it facing? Okay,
person. I
ready?
put mine facing correct.
Blue.
Ooh, dang.
I'm the one that got Do Young. Cute. It's holographic too. This also looks like the
Wait!
the photo card. What?
We got the same members in our regular album. If you haven't, go watch that video.
Nuts. You're like sponsoring my channel and my videos. That's cute. Oh my god. That reminds me of like the little cards you can get at the SM Global shop.
Oh my god, that's scary. I thought
I'll put this right here. I'll put this right here.
No.
Well, I can't read squiggly handwriting autographs, so we're good.
Oh shoot. Okay.
I'm scared. Frederick the Third. I'm
Just
scared.
put your hand up.
Okay.
Yes, I am Frederick the Third. Okay.
What are you gonna count?
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Wait, who did bro? I got Johnny! Oh my god! Yes! Wait, bro. I knew you get Do Young. That was a bet.
You look so good. Wait, this is my first Do Young photo card. This is great.
His signature on the back looks like B.O. Flip it over.
Yeah, the back.
I've never seen Johnny's signature before. This is my first Johnny photo card. Nice.
You act as if you collect all of their photo cards.
I don't got that money, but yeah.
Yep.
Cute.
I'm yelling.
How long are you gonna fix that?
I'm sorry, I'm listening to you. It's probably still not setting. I don't want to
Like if anything, mine's crooked. It doesn't even matter.
Fine, mayhaps.
Oh my god!
Mayhaps, we just...
Bro, stop rotating him. He's
No,
gonna get
why?
motion sickness.
He's looking at me.
He's gonna get motion sickness.
I was scared I was gonna get a H-on card. Oh my god.
I was really betting because I saw blonde, right? Because like that's not actually the hair color that he had in the era. So I was like, ooh, she got Mark because I always bet at the concert. She was like, oh my god, Mark Lee, and then we got back to America. She's like, Mark who? Don't know him.
Yeah, the Vancouver vlog will be out in probably
5 years.
Yeah.
This one's probably gonna take 10 years
Wait, why is it more?
because it works that way. Anyways.
We're not even adding music. What do you mean?
Kayla, you don't know how the process goes.
What? I'm sorry.
Okay. Ta-da-la-la. Join me.
No.
Frederick, join me.
Why are you pissed? You guys do this?
Join me.
Okay.
Ta-da! Ooh.
Whoa.
Wait, do the thing.
What thing?
I can't see.
I know. I was wandering around with my glasses. I'm like, I can't see. It was in a mall too. The dishwasher.
That's okay. And we're done.
Hi. Haha.